Alright, so marami na nagtatanong sa akin no, sa mga videos ko kung paano daw ako nakakatugtog without a shoulder pad. So I'll be addressing it again. No, lagi ko naman na sinasagot, but just for your information. No? So, a lot of people, especially mga beginners, think na, kasi syempre pag bumili ka nga ng mga beginner violin, like this one from Heartstrings, di ba? Usually may free shoulder pad na kasama. So, ang thinking ng tao is, when there's something included, gagamitin mo. Okay? Pero, for me, a shoulder pad is not really a standard part of the instrument. No? So, fun fact lang, no, for people who don't know, the shoulder pad was invented, I think 200 or 300 years after the violin was created. So, isipin mo, 200, 300 years na sila hindi tumutugtog with the shoulder pad. So, it's common na wala nun, but kasi nga, I don't consider it as a training tool kasi yung iba really can play without it, but it's more of a support. You can use one kung gusto mo, pero it's not a needed accessory. Ganun na lang natin siya ilagay. So for me, kasi sa body type ko, no, medyo mataba tayo, tapos hindi naman ganun kahaba yung neck ko, and I have broad shoulders. So pag pinatong ko dito yung violin at tumingin ako sa kaliwa, nakalock in place na siya without me even doing anything. No? Para sa akin siguro talaga yung violin. Sakto siya. Ayan. Taas natin yung camera. Makita niyo yung angle. Okay? So, hindi ko siya ginaganon, hindi ko siya inataas yung shoulders ko. Even without it, it's easy for me to do. Okay? So, bata pa ako, ganun na talaga yung paggamit ko. Noong una, pinapagamit ako ng shoulder pad, but it wasn't really something I wanted to use. And, yun, siguro katamaran na rin. So, every time ko magle-lesson ako, pagkuha ko ng violin, titignan ko ang ganyan. Huwag na, okay na ako dito. May ganun din no? Yan. So, papakita ko din naman sa inyo. Paano pag may shoulder pad, tas ako yung gumagamit? So, ano nagiging itsura ng violin? Bakit ayoko? So, for me, having that shoulder pad is uncomfortable. So, ito, a cheap one. Kasi yung pinadala sa akin ng Heartstrings, walang kasamang shoulder pad. But I have one for my students kung kailangan nila, tas wala din sila. So, I always have one. So, this was a cheap one lang. I think less than 200 pesos. Ayan. So, kung di ka marunong magkabit, ganyan magkabit. Now, if I would put it here, it's so uncomfortable for me. So, feeling ko nalulunod ako. Especially yung iba mga colleagues ko na matataas talaga yung shoulder pad na ginagamit nila. Pag hinahiram ko yung violin nila, tapos nakakabit yan. Paglagay ko dito, nakaganyan. Ayan. Ayan o. Diba? Uncomfortable siya for me. Sobrang. Kapag inayos ko yung pwesto ko na neutral yung yung neck ko, so hindi ako nakatingala, hindi rin ako nakayuko, tumataas yung violin. So ayun, yun yung reason kung bakit hindi ako gumagamit ng shoulder pad. So it might be different for everyone, no? Hindi porket maiksi yung neck mo and you have broad shoulders, pwede ka na rin hindi gumamit. Depende sa technique ng pagkakaturo sa'yo. Kasi there's a lot of ways for you to do it. Pero if you feel uncomfortable using it, ayun, kung sobrang taas, parang nalulunod ka na, ganun yung feeling. Siyempre, hindi lang naman yung pagyuko yung masama. Even when tumitingala tayo na matagal, di ba? Meron pa ring strain on our body, on our neck especially. No? So, make sure na tama yung ginagawa nyo and you're not experiencing any pain, discomfort, ngalay, or whatever we call it when you play your instrument. So, ayan. Good luck sa inyo.